Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hey, it's Claire, so enumerated here. So it's given that the prey is dropped from 180 meters, which is x is equal to 0. So we have to find when y is equal to 0. So we have 0 is equal to 180 minus x squared over 45. And this gives us an x value of 90. So the distance traveled is the arc length from when x is equal to 0 until x is equal to 90. So next we're going to find the derivative. And we have our equation y is equal to 180 minus x squared over 45. So we get negative 2 over 45x. And we just have to square this to get, and then we plug this in to our arc length formula. So this becomes 2 squared over 45 squared times x squared, 0 to 80 square root of 1 plus 2 squared over 45 squared x squared dx. We're going to make x be equal to 45 over 2 tangent. And that means that dx is equal to 45 over 2 secant squared dt. So L is equal to, from A to B, square root of 1 plus 2 squared over 45 squared times 45 over 2 tangent square, 45 over 2 secant square dt. And this becomes equal to 45 over 2 from A to B, square root of 1 plus tangent square plus secant square dt, which is equal to 45 over 2 integral from A to B, square root of secant square t dt, which is equal to 45 over 2 integral from A to B secant cubed dt. We're going to do integration by parts. So we have u be secant, which makes du be equal to secant times tangent dt. We're going to make dv be equal to secant square dt, which makes v be equal to tangent. So when we do integration by parts, we have from A to B secant cubed t dt is equal to uv minus the integration of v du. This becomes equal to secant times tangent minus the integral of secant cubed dt plus the integral of secant dt. And we have to add secant cubed to both sides, and we divide by 2. So that gives us secant cubed dt is equal to 1/2 secant times tangent plus 1/2 ln of secant plus tangent. And then now we're going to solve for L. So we substituted x is equal to 45/2 tan. So that means that t is equal to arctan of 2/45x. So when we find for our integrals, a is going to be equal to the arctan of 2/45 times 0. So that just gives us 0. And for b, it's going to be 2/45 times 90. And we're finding the arctan of that. So that's arctan of 4. So, and then we just plug this in. And when we find for that, we get around 209.1 meters.